Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day in the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon an idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 42, NASDAQ up 22, S&P's up 6.5, gold contract up down $3.60, trading at $1,252 an ounce. Silver flat at $18.24 an ounce. Platinum up $1.50 at $9.56 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.67 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1, $49.40 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 8 ticks, 124.19. 30-year bond up 16 ticks, 151.09. King dollar up 222 ticks, $99.77. The euro's trading at 107 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 111 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get the SPY that closed at 235.56. You did 51 million shares. Bottom line, it's going to be pretty wild watching this thing shake out because you talk about contraction of volume, folks. We got it pretty dramatically. Yesterday, we did 93 million. You're going into the downdraft of last Tuesday, which is 131 million. We did 51. It tested the high of yesterday and failed on price and volume. So bottom line, that set up in the SPY is saying, guess what? You can go right back down to the lows of yesterday, of Tuesday rather, which are 231. Subtle, but there it is. That's your SPY. We take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials couldn't hold price, period. Dow Industrials were at 20,659. And the number to really keep your eye on is about 6 points lower than that. That's the lows of the downdraft on the 21st. We take a look at the diamonds if you want to see the same correlation because it's all over the place in the market today. We did 2.1 million shares in the diamonds. That's the ETF for the Dow, going into 3.5, going into a downdraft of 6.1. So you did 30% light, 60% lighter than the downdraft. NASDAQ composite first. So the composite trading at its highs. I believe it's going to be at its highs. Let's take a look. No, not quite. The NDX is. So the composite is up 22 bucks. Now this can run for its highs. The high is 59.28. We're at 58.97. NDX 100, the 3Qs. 3Qs are trading at, it was up 61 cents. The high of the downdraft is 132.43. We're at 132.25. Volume, yes, is anemic. No doubt about that. You get 12 million shares versus your downdraft of 35 million versus the high of yesterday of 23. But bottom line is that when you close at a high like this over that swing, it's going to go for the swing, which is approximately 21 cents higher than we are right now. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract out here today traded to a low of 12.46. High of 12.54. We're at 12.51.80 right now. And what you have out here is that this baby is building cars to get up and into this February 27 swing high. It's not backing off. So we're going to get a test on it. We'll see whether it has enough juice on that test to take it out. Silver, bottom line, is actually pushing with volume. It's pretty cool what's happening with silver. And silver, no doubt, is the psycho stepchild. That thing, when it gets killed, it gets killed. When it wants to go topside, man, it just goes. Right now, you are right next to the high. We're at $18.24, and 18.51 is the high. Notes and bonds, they continue to say they want higher price, lower yield. The 10-year rejected lower price out here, had lighter volume. We're at 124.20. That's going into 125.24, and that is the high of the 24th. You know, so the way that notes and bonds are setting up, they're going to go for that high once again. The 30-year, same type of setup. We're at 151.09, 152.04 is the number. And good old King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? Let's take a look at King Dollar out here. King Dollar got to a high today of 99.965. You're at 99.790. This is still in a confirmed ABC structure on the way down with a price projection of 97.030. And what King Dollar has done the last 2 days, it bounced the last 2 days, and you can see today we did 25,000 contracts. Yesterday we did 26,000. You are going into 33,000 as well as 47,000. You know, so that's still a confirmed ABC structure on the way down. Let's go take a look at what's happening with Lululemon here. So Lululemon closed at $66.30. That is trading at 56. This is going to be pretty wild. That earnings started already. Oh, this is going to be a trip watching this. So let's check it out. This is okay. So they certainly come out with numbers. Okay, so the fourth quarter estimate was $1.01. They come out with $1. It's not bad. Something's not right in here, though. Okay, what else do we have in here? Okay, well, let's see what they're saying. They see first quarter net revenue. That's what it is. Okay, so the estimate was $552 million for the first quarter net revenue. Now they only see $510 million to $515. They had seen their earnings per share, their range, earnings per share was $2.26 to $2.36. That's for the year. The estimate had been $2.16. Yeah, this is all about the first quarter coming out, the next quarter. That's what it's about. That's what it looks like. Because the rest of these numbers, you know, are pretty good. Yeah, and so here's the net number of the first quarter coming out. They expect to make 39 cents. They're only going to make 25 to 27. So that's quite a hit. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Right back.